In today's video, you'll learn how to create and customize auto-caption in CapCut. I have the scene from the John Wick franchise in my timeline. To create auto-caption for this scene, move over to the Captions tab at the top left corner and click on it. Thereafter, select the language of your video or leave it on Auto Detect. For my video, it's English, so I'll just click on English. Thereafter, you can choose a template for your caption. It will give you a quick preview of what you'll get with a caption.
How much?
But we don't want any template, so I'll just unselect the template, move back to Auto Caption and click on Generate. After a few seconds, you will get the captions for your video.
How much? Excuse me? How much for the car?
Alright, I noticed that it's pretty accurate. However, the subtitles are not punctuated. I hope they fix this in the future. So how do you customize these captions? Just select one of the captions. It will load this area at the right hand side where you can customize the captions. Click on Captions. After that, click on any of the sentences. Let's just add a question mark right here and maybe capitalize the first word. So right there, you can customize the text. What about if you want to change the font and everything else? Select one of the captions and move over to text while making sure Apply to All is selected. If you want to customize just one caption, then make sure to unselect Apply to All. But I want to customize the captions in the timeline to have the same look. I'll leave it on Apply to All. Thereafter, you can just maybe choose any of the fonts you want for your caption. And if I choose a font right now, for instance, let's choose this Bless font. You'll see that it applies to all of them and they all have that font. You can as well change the color of the caption. There are several other parameters that you can customize to get the unique look for your caption. That's it. That's how to add auto caption in CapCut. Give me a thumbs up.